Most people lose thousands of dollars in their 20s, and they don't even realize it. Not to scams, not to bad luck, to their own habits. And by the time they figure it out, the damage is already done. Here's the reality. Credit card debt is crushing an entire generation. Swiping now, paying later. Except later never really comes, does it? You're living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in minimum payments, wondering where all your money went. And every month, the hole gets a little deeper. Because it does. If you don't know where your money is going, someone else is deciding for you. A budget isn't a restriction, it's a weapon. It puts you back in control. Life will hit you when you least expect it. A car breaks down. A medical bill shows up. Without an emergency fund, one bad month can erase a year of progress. Start with $1,000, then build from there. Credit cards aren't free money. They're a trap designed to keep you spending. If you can't pay it off this month, you can't afford it. Period. That one rule alone will change your financial life. Here's what nobody tells you in school. Time is your greatest asset. $100 invested at 22 is worth more than $1,000 invested at 40. Start small. Start now. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Imagine turning 30 and actually being ahead. No debt, a growing savings account, investments working for you while you sleep. That's not a fantasy. That's what happens when you make the right moves in your 20s. That's exactly what Wealth Management for Young Adults is built to help you do. It's your step-by-step guide to escaping the debt cycle, building real wealth, and securing your future, starting today. Grab your copy now. Your future self will thank you.